Good morning and welcome to this week's video. A little bit about me. I've been a stock option investor since 1985, a certified coach for Robert Kiyosaki's stock market investing program for over 11 years. And currently, and I have been doing this since 2015, I teach my clients a unique strategy using weekly options to create consistent cash flow. Now, what if you could dream up a perfect stock market investment strategy? What would that look like? I think we'd want to earn enough money to make you wealthy, and especially when you combine weekly income with compound interest, that's a very powerful wealth building strategy. You would consistently make money every week in both up and down markets, and that's very important. My strategy actually has worked better in crashes than it has in up markets. One of the reasons is we only take a trade for 1 week. What can happen in 1 week? A lot, but we are just very short term, and it's been very consistent. Uh, the strategy would have 90% of every trade you make producing a profit, and we have over 90%. It's currently about 94% of all the trades we've made over the years produce a profit. Also, no large drawdowns in your investment account that will turn your hair gray and keep you up at night. Is that too good to be true? Well, let me show you my results for this year. 2023, January through April, I'm up 42.48% return on my entire account balance. This puts me on a track for 127.43% annual return for the year if I continue to duplicate these results. This is not an uncommon return using my strategy, by the way. And if you'd like to send me an email to david@cashfromoptions.com with broker statement typed in the subject line, I'll send you a copy of my broker statements. This week's trades, Monday, May 8th, and they expire this Friday. We're only in these trades for 1 week. And again, I took them on Monday and I published them in advance. I don't know what they're going to do for this week, but I have a very good idea what they're going to do. And these are what my trades have been for this week. Bull puts. It's where I sell one strike price put, and then I buy the next lower strike price put, and that results in a credit where I get my profit. They're called vertical spreads. You sell one, you buy one in the same expiration month. And these are my trades. KLAC, I sold 12 expiration date May, 370 strike price put, bought 367.5 strike price put. Same with AMAT, CRM, SNOW, and UNP. These are actually the trades I made this week. A bull put is when I think the stock will, and there's 4 things that can happen when we trade my strategy. Number one, the stock market goes up, you're going to make money. If the stock market doesn't go up and stays the same, you're going to make money. And if the stock market goes down, but doesn't go down below a point where I have a high probability that it will not go below, you make money. The only way you can lose money when you take a trade is if the market blows up and a nuclear war breaks out somewhere, and then there's things that we do. We actually can roll the trade, and that usually results in more profit. But if you're bullish, you do bull puts. If you're bearish, you think the price of a particular symbol is going to be weak, you sell one strike price call in the same expiration month or week in this case, and you buy the next higher strike price call, resulting in your credit or your profit. Boeing, I sold 12 May expiration date. That's this Friday. 207.5 strike price call, and I bought a call 210 strike to set up the vertical trade. And those are all the bullish trades I made this week. So I've made 10 altogether. There's my broker statements. You can see over here on 5/8, which is Monday at 8:39 a.m. We did that trade, and here we sold puts, bought puts, calls, sold call, bought call. You can see the strike prices here. I sold a call, bought the next higher call. I sold a put, bought the next lower put. And I don't know how these trades are going to turn out. Well, I take that back. I know with about a 90+% probability how they're going to work out. So you're invited to follow along. Check back on Friday. I'll publish my results, and you can take a look at your stock chart, if you're an investor, you can see what these results are going to be on Friday. Here's a little illustration of how this works. We got a lot of support, chart support right there. On Monday, I sold hard to read that, 612.5 put, and I bought the 610 put. So as long as it stays above 610 right here, it's got to go through this chart support, and it's got to go through the Bollinger Band support. Highly likely that it will work out profitably. If not, we can roll it or whatever, which usually results in a more profit, and we just extend the trade for one more week. I publish my trades in advance on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram before they expire. They'll all expire this Friday, to demonstrate the consistency of my profitable trades. I'm going to put myself out there and say, follow this and see if it works. The bull put trades to remain profitable. The share price needs to remain above the strike price I sold by the close of the market this Friday. For the bear call to remain profitable, the share price needs to remain below the strike price I sold by the close of the market Friday. All trades will expire automatically. If the above occurs, the strike prices stay within that range, and no further action is required on my part. They'll just expire. When I make the trade, I take my profits. You'll see on my broker statements, you'll see the credit I've gotten. If the share price moves above or below the strike price I sold, I adjust the trade immediately and I text out my clients. This most often results in additional profits. And year to date, my trades have been profitable 94.7% of the time. So I offer a coaching program if you have an interest. I offer 16 1/2-hour weekly live coaching sessions, and you'll learn all the aspects of my trading strategy. And then I have 6 months of live conference calls on Monday when the market opens. We find good trades together. That's a lot of fun, actually. We look through the things and I show them what I found, and sometimes they'll come by and say, hey, look, I found this, and sure enough. So and then throughout the week, if I make a trade or adjust a trade, I will send a text out immediately, so you'll always be up to date and in touch with the market. My strategy, combined with conference calls and texts, it has been a powerful money-making combination. It's not unusual to get 80 to over 100% a year. And as you master this strategy, you'll begin to look at the market in a different way. And again, just as a review, I'm not predicting exactly where the price is going to go. I'm not even predicting it's going to go up or down. I'm just going to say it's not going to go above this point for a bull put, and it's not going to go below this point for a bear call. Here's my website, and this will put you in contact with more information. Well, that's about it. Check back on Friday, and you guys have a good day, and we will speak soon. Thank you.